keeping all of this in mind as well, these patterns, okay, no matter what level you're in, these patterns really hold a lot of weight. And let's go backwards so you can see it a little bit more clearly. Because if somebody's sitting across from you, or if you're doing this, you can go to the chart and look at this and get to the root of the problem. But there's drama, right? Okay, so whatever that looks like, somebody's yelling at you, they're accusing you of something, there's drama. Okay, they or you are demanding something, demanding that something be different other than what it is. Okay, now we're moving backwards. We're moving back down the chart. Ultimately, there's going to be disappointment in what's taking place, or understanding that that disappointment is what's behind it. Okay, so there's drama, somebody's demanding something, demanding you do something, you demanding somebody else. And now know that what's fueling that is disappointment. Okay, we're still moving backwards. Okay, so the disappointment, and then the very bottom of level 2 is because there's an unmet desire. So now you know if there's drama, you're creating drama, you're disappointed in something, you can now go to, what is my unmet desire? What is it I want? Okay, and so now level 3, you can see where this becomes such a big role of saying, what do I want? What do I want? So that's where the importance of like the exercises in level 3. So that's what we're talking about. We're talking about these different planes of consciousness because they are in hierarchy order. Okay, they go from 0 up to 1000. You know, these are the vibrational frequencies. So always keep that in mind. I mean, there's a significance to everything that's in this chart. So now we're retracing, we're going backwards. Okay. So we're in this pattern, okay? We're trying to control situation, or there's drama in our lives, and now we're tracing this backwards. We're tracing this drama all the way back. Something's demanding, we're disappointed in something, and it stems from an unmet desire. And it's making us angry, okay? That unmet desire is making us angry. Okay, and that's the whole underlying pattern right here. However, anger is always, always, always fear's father, always. So if you're angry about something, what you're really doing is you're afraid of something, or the person across from you is afraid of something. Okay, so now we're back to willingness, right? Willingness to see this differently. So if somebody is angry, you're going to say to yourself, they're afraid of something. No exceptions. 1000% of the time, this will always be true. If there's drama, anger, hate going on, fear is behind it. And think about this in the world today. Think about how angry the world is, but cultivating behind it is fear. Okay? We're still going backwards. Okay, so if we were going up this chart, then we would start at shame, and then we would move to depression, feeling anxious, and regrets if we were going to get out of this pattern. Okay, but we're going to move backwards. So we're coming out of level 2, we're slipping back into level 1. Okay, so those unmet desires, this is a core right here. That unmet desire is now creating regrets. And now we're starting to feel the anxiety. Okay, we're moving backwards, we're slipping down, we're slipping down. Now there's that depression tip off. And remember, we talked about depression being pathological. So we really want to watch that. So, and ultimately all the time, behind underlying core of anything that's going on with us or anyone else when we're experiencing this is always going to be shame about something.